Hi guys, it's Carl from Top Gear, and today we're in the Hyundai Motor Group Innovation Center in Singapore. It's an 8.9-hectare facility here in the Jurong Innovation Center in Singapore, and it has a capacity of 30,000 cars assembled here every year. But more than that, it goes to show what Hyundai really wants to show, that their technology and automation can make life better for those working in facilities like this. Now, this facility works as a research and development hub for all the other facilities in the world. And as of now, it's the only facility assembling cars in the city-state of Singapore. So it's an 89,000 square meter facility with 5 floors, with the top floor being what they call the Skytrack, which we'll check out later. On the ground floor, you have a nice car display here, as well as a smart hydroponic farm behind me. And the facility also plays host to Nao. Now, Nao is the new Korean restaurant opened by Chef Cory Lee. Cory Lee is the first Korean chef to achieve 3 stars with the Michelin Guide. So he's opened a restaurant here in partnership with Hyundai, and we got to try it, and it's quite good, if a bit rich, but it caps off an otherwise great experience here at the Hyundai Innovation Center. So behind me now, as we saw us coming in, you have 2 very special cars. You have the Hyundai Pony, which is the first car that Hyundai's ever made, not in Singapore, but this one is from Singapore. This is Ioniq 5. So the Hyundai Motor Group Innovation Center Singapore, or HMGICS, as they say, produces the Ioniq 5, the Ioniq 6, the Ioniq 5 Robotaxi, and the Kia EV5. Ioniq 6 over there in this nice red livery was done in collaboration with a local artist. And if you can see these 2 cars and you go around them, you'll see that there are certain things that Hyundai has carried over from the past to its future. So the headlights are about the same, both boxy, both squarish over there. And also the hatchback layout of the car. If you can see here, it looks a little bit like a hatchback. This one, it's a much bigger hatchback, but it's somewhere between an SUV and a sedan. Now, this is an important car for Hyundai because it's being built here in Singapore, the first car since the 80s to be assembled here. Let's see what else we can see around the facility and what kind of innovations Hyundai has in their innovation center. So one of the cool things you'll find here is behind me. This is a smart farm. It's a hydroponic farm, about 5 meters high, and has a lot of robots that go in and out. Now, the reason why Hyundai is doing this is because it's going to show how robotics and vertical integration can help with a city-state like Singapore, wherein land is quite limited. This is a proof of concept. A lot of the plants here you'll see us eating later and picking later. But more than that, it goes to show that Hyundai's innovation isn't just limited to cars, but also the robotics, the automation, and the technology that comes with that. So this Ioniq 5 right here looks like a normal one, and that's what it is, until you see this. This is the Papal flag. Now, this specific Ioniq 5 was chosen as the Pope Mobile when Pope Francis visited Singapore in 2024. He chose it for 3 reasons. Number 1, he has an eco-initiative. So this was an electric car. It kind of jived with exactly what he wants to push as a green warrior at the time. Number 2 is it was somewhere between an SUV and a sedan, meaning for someone of his advanced age, he was able to get in and out quite easily. And the 3rd reason, this was one of the first Ioniq 5s to come off the line here at Hyundai Motor Group Innovation Center in Singapore. So it was built in Singapore, it has ties to Singapore, and that's why they chose this Ioniq 5 to be joined the pantheon of papal vehicles that the popes have used over the years. Now, this one's set to go back to the Vatican, but as of now, you can catch it here in the Hyundai Motor Group Innovation Center in Singapore. So one of the other cars produced here in Singapore is this one. This is a Ioniq 5 Robotaxi. As you can see, it looks like a normal Ioniq 5 until you see all these little radar panels here. So you have radar panels here, and you have sensors up here, and this specific car is being exported now from Singapore to Las Vegas, where it's being tested without a driver. So what makes it unique also that the fact that it's built in Singapore, a right-hand drive country, this one is left-hand drive. That's why the steering wheel's on this side. Will we ever see this come to the Philippines? I don't know. But the interesting thing here is because of such innovation, it's actually been signed off literally by the Prime Minister of Singapore, Mr. Lawrence Wong, up here in front. So we're here now, and one of the coolest things about HMGICS here in Singapore is this, they call it the Skytrack. Now, it's a test track for all the cars that get produced here, and it's also a test track that shows off the Ioniq 5 and other cars to customers and potential customers. What they do is that there's a 600-meter track here on the roof deck of a factory, and they drive it, and the car will come down about 80 kilometers an hour up this banking, which is about 4 meters. It might not look so fast on video, but when you're in the car and you're actually going up the banking, it's quite a ridiculous feeling. You feel like you're going through a roller coaster. You can experience up to 3 Gs, which in a production car is quite fun and quite intense. And it's an experience that you won't soon forget. So that's the Hyundai Motor Group Innovation Center Singapore. Not only is it a manufacturing facility, but it also shows everything that Hyundai is doing to further car manufacturing here in Singapore, as well as showcase technologies that will be applicable in a city-state like this. Definitely worth the visit, and if you drop by, do let us know. This is Carl from Top Gear Philippines, and thank you for joining us in this little tour of the Hyundai Innovation Center in Singapore.